say
Hello
the
everyone,
importance
welcome
of
to
fish
SB
day,
Golden
it
Creation.
means it
21st
highlights
November,
the
International
importance of
Fish Day.
healthy
On this
ocean
special day,
ecosystem
we have prepared a very
and to
special video
ensure
for you. I'm very sure
sustainable
fish
stocks
lovers
of
are going to
fishes
love this
in the
video.
world.
In this video, you'll come to know about the benefits of consuming fishes, what is the significance of International Fish Day, and you can see Shonali is very busy in purchasing fishes, and she's going to tell us the varieties of fishes, its importance, and what are the benefits and food values of different type of fishes. I'm very much sure you'll love this video, and we are going to start this video. And please watch today's video till end, and this is going to be beneficial and informative for students as well and for all of us. So please go through.
Friends, welcome to SB Golden Creation. So, if you like our video, please like, subscribe, and share with your dear and near ones. Today is International Fish Day. Fishery departments reopens the river for migratory fish, so they can go to river and reproduce. As you all know, hilsa fish, very tasty. Generally, Bengali people likes this hilsa fish, boiled hilsa, shorsho mach, ilish. So this hilsa fish, people think this is a river fish, but actually it is not so. Hilsa is an ocean fish, sea fish. I mean, it's a sea fish. When it is the time for reproduction, this hilsa fish comes to the river and it reproduces. So in Bangladesh, we get paddar ilish, very tasty. I have seen in Howrah station in Kolkata, coming from Canada, Spain, America, Russia, those foreigners throw this spoons, forks, and they are just having and grasping the hilsa fish with their hands like this. You know, it's very tasty. So hilsa fish, there is omega-3 in hilsa fish. Food values are there. Now I'm going to tell you the different varieties of ocean fish. So some of the names are salmon fish, pomfret fish, blue fish, tuna, cod fish, mahi mahi, butterfish, sardines. So among these people generally we have pomfret, salmon, tuna, all these things. And some river fishes are there: rohu fish, katla fish, koi mach, prawn, then komol kat. So it is not possible for any person to describe all the proteins and food value of fishes. Some of the food value of fishes I am going to explain here. It will be helpful for students also, and people also will come to know or have the knowledge of protein value, food value, vitamins and antioxidants which fishes are having. And we should consume fish, and it is good for our health. If I say the importance of fish day, it means it highlights the importance of healthy ocean ecosystem and to ensure sustainable stocks of fishes in the world. So friends, I am going to describe you. There are varieties of fishes in the world, 32,000 of fishes in the world. Some are river fishes, some are sea fishes. So I would like to mention the names of some ocean fish, some sea fishes, and the food value of fishes, why we should consume fish, what is the importance of having fish, and why this fish day is celebrated every year in the world in 10. So World Fish Folk Communities celebrate every year Fish Day on 21st of November. So in this quarantine, first time I'm going to describe the importance of fish. First of all, I want to explain the food value of prawn. If people consume prawn, it is having high level of zinc, which can help the immune system. So people in this era of COVID-19, you should have this prawn because it is full of zinc, and zinc improves our immune system. There is antioxidant in prawn, and this means it helps the cells to grow, and next it helps our bones. It is having phosphorus, magnesium and copper. Can you say which fish is this? I have cut piece of this fish. This is a piece of rohu fish. So I am going to say the food value of this rohu fish. Students, you can also understand, you can also have the knowledge. Please listen and know why we consume fish. It is necessary to consume fish. You can see these are in my hands. Can you see? These are, in Bengali we say moya mach. I don't know the English of, frankly speaking, I don't know the English of Maya fish. I've searched in Google but I didn't get it. This Maya fish, though it is a small fish, but people, please remember, those who are having high uric acids, those who are having osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, especially not osteoarthritis, actually rheumatoid arthritis people should not consume higher amount of this fish. These small fishes are having high level of protein, understood, phosphorus, and it is full of uric acid. The uric acid level will increase and pain will also increase for those human beings those who are having uric acid. Me too, I am having uric acid by birth. In family tradition, we are having uric acid, but I always consume this fish because it is very, very tasty. If you prepare with onion, ginger, tomato, and some green chilies are there, if you prepare this fish, is very nice and very tasty to have this fish. Please, once you have this fish, and will not going to leave this. Is a small fish, but this small fish is rich in protein and is full of uric acid. So if you have this will increase the full uric acid level, but it's very tasty. It is good for your health, those who are not having high level of uric acid. Katla fish is having only 2 grams of fat, 19 grams of protein, 111 grams of calories, moisture 74 grams. Friends, this is Komal cut. This is Komal cut, very tasty. You will get alive this fish, cut it and prepare it as raw fish. And I said you earlier also, it is not possible to explain all the food value of fishes, their proteins level, vitamins, antioxidants. Lastly, I want to say, all people, those who are non-veg, please consume fish, and once in a week, please consume rohu fish. It is very, very good for your health, and prawn is also good for health because prawns are having zinc, and zinc is improving the immune system. Thank you, and once again, thanks for watching SB Golden Creation. Here, I am Shonali. Please like, share, and for the newcomers, subscribe the channel and share as much as you can with your friends and relatives. Thank you once again.